AI is changing everything from how we work to how we create. But what if you're starting from zero? No coding, no tech degree, no problem. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to start building AI skills from scratch, even if you've never opened ChatGPT before. We'll walk through the mindset, the tools, and the small wins that build big confidence. Let's begin with a mindset shift. AI isn't just for developers. It's a thinking tool, like a calculator for your ideas. The sooner you stop thinking about AI as software and start thinking about it as a skill, the faster you'll adapt. Step 1. Get comfortable with language-based AI tools. Start with ChatGPT or Claude. Use it to simplify dense reading, brainstorm ideas, or role-play conversations. Ask it to rewrite your text more clearly or generate bullet points from your notes. Need a prompt? Try this. Act as a teacher. Explain the main ideas of this article in under 100 words and give me 2 follow-up questions to explore. The point isn't to impress the AI, it's to train your brain to work with it. Step 2. Use prompt-based creativity tools. Tools like DALL, Leonardo, and Ideogram turn your words into visuals. Don't worry about being artistic. The real skill is learning how to describe what you imagine. Try creating a productivity-themed wallpaper or a vision board image for your goals. Once you've tried images, explore voice and video tools like 11 Labs or Pika Labs. You don't need to be a content creator, just play. AI is a playground for learning how to think in systems and symbols. Step 3. Start solving small, real problems. Let AI help you meal plan, write your to-do list, outline a YouTube script, or prep for a meeting. Use it like a creative assistant, not a magic wand. The more context you give it, the more useful it becomes. Try using AI to audit your time or priorities. Prompt. Act as a productivity coach. Ask me 5 questions to uncover where I'm wasting time. You'll get better at spotting patterns in your own behavior. Step 4. Build a simple learning system. Pick one tool each week, watch a video, read a few tips, then try it yourself. Keep a personal log of what you learn and what worked. You're not chasing mastery, you're building comfort. You don't need a big plan. You need small reps. Ask, what one thing can I automate, organize, or understand better using AI this week? Then do it. The rest will follow. Not sure where to start? Here's a quick roadmap. Start with ChatGPT for writing and planning. Try Canva's Magic Design for quick visuals. Use Notion AI for summarizing notes or generating ideas. Explore DALL-E or Ideogram for creativity. Try voice tools like 11 Labs just to hear your writing out loud. And here's the best part. The more you use AI, the more it teaches you how to think differently, not just faster. It forces you to break down problems, define goals, and engage in creative loops. That's the real skill, becoming an adaptive thinker. If this helped shift your mindset, hit like and subscribe to HumanOS. In the next video, we'll break down the best beginner AI tools with zero overwhelm, just momentum.